Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin, and today we would like to show you one of our hard-selling valve assembly for you. And then let's take a look. Firstly, let's see the outside packages, the blue VCI and T-roll specs, right? And here this is our Shumatt brand. And also the valve assembly product code is F00RJ01479. For this one, the logo, the label, packages, etc. we can support a customized service. And now we will check the inside part for you. Well, let's take a look for the inside of it. For these packages can be better prevented somehow during the transportation, and 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of the customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, it's okay, return or exchange. And for this valve assembly, you can take a look. For this one, the applicable injector number is 04451200066, etc. And the applicable vehicle car is Volvo. It's China-made brand new. For the 120 series, let's check more details. This is the valve cap there with coating figures here. That's the valve rod. If you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. And at the same time, make sure the valve cap and the valve rod can be moved smoothly and can be in the right position of the inject body. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more, please send us by the comments or feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.